So, Cruising with Carol, we're here again. We are on the Wonder of the Seas. Come on, guys. No problem. We are on the Wonder of the Seas. We are in stateroom 10233, Central Park balcony. Come on in. Let's see what this room is all about. All right, so when we come in, so we have a full-length mirror. You check yourself out, make sure you're good to go. And then when you come in, you have a desk. And in the desk, you have, they actually did really good with this setup because you have 3 US plugs, you have 2 Euro plugs, and you also have 2 USBs. So this is the perfect space to sit. If you have some work to do, do some work. If not, perfect place to sit your laptops, your phones, charge all your devices up. You walk over this way a little bit, you got some drawer space. In here you have your room service and breakfast menus. You got your hair dryer, some Kleenex. Then you got more drawer space here, and they did good. They put the soft close drawers here, which is amazing. And then you open this, you got your fridge, put your stuff in, good to go. You got this nice sofa here, take a seat. I actually really like the layout of this, even more so when we were on the Oasis in Thanksgiving, because this just really seems like a dedicated space to kind of just relax, chill after the day. You have separate closets here, so you have multiple hangers here. Like I said, we are one of the first people on board the Wonder of the Seas, so you have multiple hanging space here, double hanging space. I actually love the closets in this space. And then you have another closet here where you have your safe. You have some more shelves. You have hanging space here, more shelves here. And you also have drawer space with the same soft closing drawers. So soft closing drawers are my favorite. I have them in my house, love them. Allows for you not to slam the doors. So they have upgraded the air conditioning and heating units to electronic here, which is definitely different than the Oasis we were on. You still have your key thing where you put your key here to control the lights and everything on the room, make sure everything's working. You got your switches, cut the lights on and off. So you have your shower here with your handheld devices. They actually already have the body wash / shampoo. You can do everything with it. You got your handheld one. You have your step up here for you to be able to, shave your legs and whatnot. You have multiple shelving units. Oop, that slammed. You have multiple shelving units in this restroom, in this bathroom. I do like the large shelf at the bottom here. They already have the pool towels, so that's one less thing you have to check out. I actually do like that little aspect. You have your sink, and the one thing I do love about the restroom is that it has a lot of just regular open shelf space for you to be able to, store what you need to store. So we'll take a walk back out here into the main part of the room. And you have your TV. You have your bed, which we will have them split these beds because it's 2 of us and we can sleep in 2 twins. As I stated, you have your phone right here. And the one thing I'm gonna figure out is, yes, we have a USB port here and we have an outlet here. So that is extremely nice because with devices being the way that they are set up now, you want to be able to charge as many devices as possible. And we have the same thing on the other side, so that is extra nice. Then you go over here. We always bring magnets, but what I will say is I love that they have integrated hooks into the wall, so you can hang whatever you need to hang. There are 4 hooks on the wall. So what I will say, I absolutely love this Central Park room. For the most part, if you had an ocean view room, it's probably going to be the same layout, except you will have a different view. And let's take a look out here and go out here and take a look at the actual view. All right, so we are out on Central Park. So I actually stopped the recording to do a voiceover because the one thing that I will say, after having stayed in Central Park on the Wonder of the Seas, it is so different than staying in Central Park on the Oasis of the Seas. It was so freaking loud. When I say loud, it was loud from morning till night. We actually, at 10:30 at night, you could hear just music from the deck. You could hear the movies from the Jumbotron. So I'm not sure what made this particular Central Park so different, but when I say that it was loud, which was definitely something that we were not used to hearing in Central Park. We were used to the serene sound of the birds, and it was just something that we were not used to hearing. Like I said, we really love the room and we've always loved the location, but I can say without a shadow of a doubt, I will probably never book a Central Park balcony room again on the Wonder unless I tried a different floor. I don't really know what would make it different. I actually remember calling my travel agent, shout out to Mindy, and letting her hear it. I was like, hey, listen to this. Or actually, I think I sent her a video, but either way, it was really loud. Unusually loud. So just remember that if you're booking the room, as you can see, we were above the Rising Tide bar. Like I said, we were on deck 10, could see really clearly down in the Central Park. And I just really am not sure what made this ship different, but it was so much different for us. So just be aware of that if you stay in that room.